the mystery of Brahea Edulis. Brahea Edulis, rooted in stone, bathed in the sun, and tested by drought. What makes this palm one of the rarest jewels of Mexico? Why do growers around the world fight to keep it alive? What secrets hide in its massive crown and its edible fruit? Every detail whispers survival, but the truth lies far deeper. Every leaf hides a clue. Every crown carries a secret. This is more than just a palm. It's a test of patience, a promise of wonder. Discover the untold. Dive in deeper. Dive in and unlock the mystery of growing this beautiful palm. Unlock the full story. Only on herohero.co and now also on patreon.com. Grow smart. Join now. Cheers, everybody. Long live exotic plants.